Hey guys, and welcome back after 2 years of me disappearing off of the face of YouTube for like 2 years. I just repeated 2 years twice. That makes it now 3 times. So, in other words, that means I've got a lot of explaining to do. Okay, so what is your hair length, Shimmy? How's your ends? How's your hemline? How's your hair health? Did you reach your goal? I know guys, I've got a lot of explaining to do, so I'm going to start diving right into this video after this little disclaimer. I first and foremost want to say thank you to everyone that has been supporting me even though I stopped making videos for 2 years. You guys still supported me on my Facebook page, on my Instagram, and on my TikTok, and you guys have been harassing me, asking me when are you going to do more YouTube videos. We want to see more of your content, Shimmy. Why did you stop? So I just want to say thank you to each and every one. So I'm going to start diving right into my videos, and I do have an exciting thing to share with you. So if you want to know what is this exciting thing that I'm going to share, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start this video by piggybacking off of one of my first videos, which was my hair goals for 2020 or 2021. I can't even remember, but anyway, I'm going to link it somewhere here for you guys to watch. So I decided I'm going to do a new one, but this one is going to be my mid 2023 hair goals, and I'm also going to share with you guys what my current hair length is, or what my current state of my hair is, and we are going to take everything from there. And if you guys are wondering if I'm going to disappear from the face of YouTube again for 2 years, I'm maybe making it 3. Okay, I'm just joking. I'm staying this time. So after I've rewatched my previous video, I noticed that my 3-string method worked out perfectly. At first, my hair goal, or my hair, was at 104 centimeters, and my hair currently is 114 centimeters, and my goal back then was to have it at between 111 to 112 centimeters. So I have reached my goal. So guys, that is a high five to me. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to start measuring from my usual spot, which is about there. Okay. Start measuring. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's do this. Okay, so it is about 113 centimeters, so which is quite good. And let's do this, just so that you guys can see the overall health and length of it. So you can see that the ends from my first video, the ends are quite thick now. From the side and from the front. So now that we have my current hair length, you guys can see that my 3-string method indeed worked. So I am basically at my hair length goal back in 2020. Or was it 2021? I keep forgetting. I was making this video before I actually read which year it was, so I'm quite bad. So I think the main goal for this year is, or for the next 4 months, is to try and get my 113 to 120, and I have to try and get that hair length within 4 months. So by December I have to be there. So it's going to be quite exciting, and it's going to be a challenge on another level, if I can put it in that sense. Okay, Shimmy, so you're going to get your hair to grow 6 centimeters in 4 months. Is that even achievable? Well, we're definitely going to try with all of the DIYs and the secret announcement that is going to be at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So I basically teamed up with a company called Quick Grow International. Now if you have never heard of them before or you have never seen any of their products, quickly go to the description of this video and you will see a link. Click on the link and you guys will basically see what this company is all about, and of course what products they have to offer. Now what I really like about this company is everything is scientifically and clinically based. Now if you guys know me, you know that I love to do my research before recommending it to anyone. If you want to head out and start getting yourself some of these amazing products by Quick Grow International, all that you have to do is you can go yet again to the description box, you can click on the link, or you can use my discount code, which is HairScience101 at the checkout. So a video that you guys can look forward to in the future is I'm going to go through each and every one of these products, which I am super excited for. They don't just sell shampoos and conditioners, they also do shakes and hair growth supplements and collagen. So basically everything that is the building blocks for healthier and faster growing hair. Now also what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Quick Grow International as my building blocks for faster growing hair as well. So at the end of the year I am hoping to be at 120 centimeters, which is 6 centimeters away from my current hair length. And as you guys already know, my hair only grows a little bit more than a centimeter per month. So this is definitely going to work. This is definitely an exciting challenge. And if you guys want to join me, you can head on over to the store, use my discount code, and you guys can join me on this challenge. Now on top of that, their prices and everything is quite reasonable. It's not super expensive, and the nice thing about it is we are going to have longer, stronger and healthier hair soon. This is the end of this video, and yes, you guys are going to see me again. I'm not disappearing again. So stay tuned in my next video and we are going to go through the Quick Grow International hair products. I'm going to show you guys how to use them, and also I'm going to share a lot of DIYs with you. So stay tuned and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!